In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Form 1040 on TurboTax. If you need to quickly view your federal tax form while working inside TurboTax, this process is very straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open the preview of your 1040 directly from your return, so you can review the information that has been entered so far. To begin, make sure you're already signed in to TurboTax and inside the tax return you want to review. Once you're on the main working screen, look for the Tax Tools option. This is usually located in the left side menu area. Go ahead and click Tax Tools. This section contains additional options that help you review and manage your return beyond the standard interview screens. After that, a small expanded menu will appear. From that menu, click Tools. This opens a separate panel with more utility features. If you don't immediately see it, give the menu a second to expand fully before selecting it. The Tools area is where TurboTax places some of the review and summary options that aren't always visible during the normal filing flow. Next, in the Tools window, click View Tax Summary. This will take you away from the interview-style questions and into a summary page that gives you a broader look at your tax return. This page is useful because it helps you review the overall picture of your taxes before looking at the actual form itself. If you're checking numbers, estimated refund details, or general tax information, this is a helpful stopping point. Once you're on the tax summary page, look for the option that says Preview My 1040 and click it. This is the step that opens your Form 1040 preview. From here, you'll be able to see the form as it currently appears based on the information you've entered into TurboTax. This can be especially helpful if you want to verify income, deductions, filing status, or other key details before filing. Keep in mind that this is a preview, so the form reflects the information currently in your return. If something looks incomplete or incorrect, you may need to go back and update your entries in TurboTax first. Then you can return to the preview and check the form again. And that's it. By clicking Tax Tools, then View Tax Summary, and finally Preview My 1040, you can quickly access your Form 1040 inside TurboTax and review it with confidence.